Desert biomes. Desert areas. Sahara, Biome Desert, Kalahari Desert, and etc. What makes it great? One thing that makes the desert a great place to live is that you can ride around on camels. Also, a great place to tan. Seasonal change. Hot and dry deserts are warm throughout the fall and spring seasons, but very hot during the summer. Animals. Wild African dog, camel, coyote, bat. Plants, cactus, tumbleweeds, prickly pear, poppy.
Predation, wolf, and lynx. Competition, the desert coyote and the sidewinder rattlesnake are perfect example of competition. Both of the animals fight over food, such as the pocket mouse. They also fight over water, since water is very scarce in the desert. Parasitism, a flea is a parasite of a coyote. The flea benefits by drinking the coyote's blood. Commensalism, a wolf building its nest on a saguaro cactus. Mutualism, it is a way two organisms of different species exist in a relationship in which each individual's benefits. Mutualism, a pinophilia eats mistletoe berries. The bird, while breaching, passes under digested seeds in drops to the host trees, ensuring the survival of both the mistletoe and the pinophilia.
Cycle. The carbon cycle is in the desert. It is a non-stop and continuous progress. It involves the desert plants absorbing carbon dioxide together with sunlight and water, and the progress is called photosynthesis. Makes food and carbon-rich compounds.
Which plants wither and die. They undergo decomposition, releasing the carbon elements into the soil as nutrients, which are then decomposed by other supporting plants. Desert animals also partake of these plants, breath of carbon dioxide, and decompose upon death, and the cycle continues.